Hey there, Luke the Cookin Camper here along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we just want to show you how to make a super easy pumpkin spiced iced coffee. Let's get going. Now we've got 1 cup of black cold brew. And we've got 1/3 of a cup of toasted coconut almond milk. And then 1/8 of a cup of pumpkin spice creamer. And some almond milk whipped cream. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. This looks absolutely delicious. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified when we upload our next video. Our next one is going to be a pumpkin cheesecake frappuccino. Doesn't that sound good? Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.